Love Machine by Leilani Joy with the October promo of Special Beads version 1 special treatment. We have lime pearls that are going to be used on the green liquid that is dripping from her mouth. So simply fill that in with the lime pearls, and the remaining lime pearls, sprinkle it on that bottle with a green liquid. Also part of this special treatment version 1 free treatment is lightning diamonds that are sprinkled on the tubes that are going from her mouth and through her hair. So simply place those in some of those tubes and kind of sprinkle it in just the tubes.